Hello students, today we are going to solve the first numerical of quadrantal bearing. Question is given as convert the quadrantal bearing which will be equals to north 45 degree 46 minute 47 seconds east into whole circle bearing. Now we have to convert this quadrantal bearing into WCB. Now we know that our basic quadrant system is like this, that is north pole, that is south pole, that is east and that is west. Now according to the question, the survey line will lie in the northeast quadrant, that will be here, okay, and the quadrantal bearing is measured either from the north or from the south, but it is given in the question that it is measured from the north in the eastward direction and the bearing will be equals to 45 degree 46 minute and 47 seconds. And we know that if the survey line will lie in the first quadrant, then quadrantal bearing will be equals to the whole circle bearing. So WCB of this survey line will be equals to 45 degree 46 minutes and 47 seconds, because this survey line lies in the first quadrant. That is all about this numerical. Thank you very much, students.